I'm Ritika. Welcome back to my show, National Birds. Cuban Trogan is the national bird of Cuba. It is endemic to Cuba and is also called Tocadoro after its call. Sinai Rosefinch is the national bird of Jordan. It is a desert bird. Sinai Rosefinch is named after the Sinai Peninsula. The Sinai Peninsula is the only part of Egypt in Asia. Giant Ibis is the national bird of Cambodia. It is the largest living ibis species. Hoatzin is the national bird of Guyana. It is also called reptile bird or stink bird. Hoatzin is a follivo. Falcon is the national bird of Hungary and Mongolia. Seka means falcon in Arabic. Raggiana bird of paradise is the national bird of Papua New Guinea. It is on the Papua New Guinea flag. Red-Crested Turaco is the national bird of Angola. It is endemic to western Angola and its call sounds like a jungle monkey. Golden eagle is the national bird of Mexico, Albania, Scotland and Serbia. It is the most widely distributed eagle in the world. Siamese Fireback is the national bird of Thailand. It is also called Ziyad's Fireback. White Wagtail is the national bird of Latvia. It is featured on stamps of many countries including Bahrain, Belarus, Belgium, Finland, Georgia, United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iceland, Iran, Ireland, Israel, Kuwait, Latvia, Norway, Vietnam and Poland. Brown pelican is the national bird of St. Kitts and Nevis.